Small business owners often feel the weight of a crowded market pressing down on them. With limited budgets and endless competition, standing out and keeping customers loyal can seem like an uphill battle. But what if there was a way to give customers something extraordinary, completely free, while unlocking new revenue streams that grow effortlessly? That's where MAP B2B steps in, a transformative program within the Master Affiliate Profits ecosystem that's turning heads and opening doors for small businesses everywhere. Curious? Learn more about this game changer as reviewed at Master Affiliate Profits Reviewed. What is MAP B2B? MAP B2B is a program tailored specifically for small businesses, offering them a golden opportunity to provide their customers with a free online course titled How to Market Online. Crafted by industry expert John Thornhill, this course, valued at an impressive $600, equips learners with essential digital marketing skills, from email marketing to SEO and income-boosting strategies. In addition to the How to Market Online, MAP B2B founder Dory O'Neill ups the ante by including another free yet valuable course, Tax Smart Fun Deductions for Everyday Adventures. Your customers will discover how to take their everyday expenses and turn them into tax deductions. This course reveals the clever strategies that let non-business owners transform costs from leisure, travel, and entertainment into valuable savings, just like successful business owners do. For small businesses, it's more than just a giveaway. It's a chance to deliver life-changing value that deepens trust and fosters lasting customer loyalty. The emotional rewards for small businesses. Imagine the spark of delight in a customer's eyes when they receive access to a $600 course at no cost. It's not just a gift, it's a powerful tool that can help them build their own dreams, whether that's growing a business or enhancing a personal brand. For the small business offering it, the rewards are profound. Happier customers who feel truly valued, stronger connections, and a treasure trove of customer data for future outreach. Plus, MAP B2B connects businesses to a vibrant community of like-minded entrepreneurs, sharing real results and support. Insights you can explore further at mapb2b.com. It's a win-win that feels as good as it works. Unlocking revenue with ease beyond the joy of giving, MAP B2B opens up exciting revenue possibilities. When customers upgrade to paid memberships within the Master Affiliate Profits platform, the small business earns commissions starting at 25% as a free member and soaring to 75% as a platinum member. Details can be found within the membership area. Go ahead and enroll. It's free. No credit card is required. Just go to mapb2b.com. The magic of one-link technology takes it further, linking customers to the business for lifetime revenue on their future transactions. No extra effort required. For those who climb to platinum membership, Tier 2 commissions kick in, letting businesses profit from their customers' networks. It's passive income that feels like discovering a hidden stream of gold. Simple, affordable, and accessible. Getting started with MAP B2B couldn't be easier or more budget-friendly. There's no enrollment fee, and all it takes is a modest gift card that you present to your customers. Registered businesses receive a complimentary Pretty Link URL and the template for the gift card customized with your business's details. This is a $50 value. Consider it our way of saying thank you for enrolling with MAP B2B. Businesses can print the cards themselves using provided artwork or opt for a convenient done-for-you kit for a small fee. This low barrier to entry means any small business can tap into MAP B2B's potential without stretching their resources, offering a sense of relief and possibility for those eager to grow smarter, not harder. Why wait? Step into opportunity today for small businesses ready to break through the noise. MAP B2B is the key to delighting customers and boosting the bottom line, all with minimal investment. It's an opportunity to stand out, build trust, and watch revenue grow, wrapped in the satisfaction of making a real difference. Ready to explore this game changer? Visit MAP B2B.com to learn how it can transform a small business's future. For deeper insights into affiliate marketing strategies like this, head to MasterAffiliateProfitsReviewed.com. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Your comments will help others discover MAP B2B and the benefits that it offers to businesses and their customers. Thank you for watching.